Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be creating a rainbow card using the Hello Beautiful stamp set. I love all the patterns in this one, I think it's beautiful. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to bring in a load of different rainbow colours. So here I've got Real Red, Daffodil Delight, Magenta Madness, Granny Apple Green, Pacific Point and Gorgeous Grape. And I'm going to be using this swirl here to create this card. So I'm just going to grab this out the box and I'm going to pop it onto a block. Oh, that's a wet block. Let me not use a wet block. I've just done a video that was watercolouring, so I washed all my blocks and clearly have not dried them yet. So I have a piece of basic white. This is 14.8 centimetres by 10.5 centimetres, so is the exact same width as my card base. And I'm just going to lay these out around the card. For my own sanity purposes, because I have a really bad habit of doing this actually, so do need to actually pop a line on here to make sure I'm in the correct space. So I'm just having a quick look and get this in towards the middle, which is there. And now you can see I've actually got the line of my grid paper both on the top and on the bottom telling me that I'm in the right place. So I'm just going to grab a post-it note, stick that down and stick that down so I know that it's not going to move and I have got the centre of my card right. I've got 7 colours, so I want 3 on this side and 3 on that side. So I'm actually going to start with the ones in the middle first because that to me just seems easier. And I'm going to pop my S down. Now, other than making sure it's in the middle, I'm actually not going to be doing any measurements on whether it's straight or not, which might be a huge mistake at the end of this video, but we'll soon find out. By the way, I've got my chamois to the side, so that's why I moved my stamp over there. I'm just, you know, cleaning it up in between each colour so that I don't transfer the colours over. And that's that side of the line. So it's kind of a straight, but by the time I sit there and draw squares on with everything, it's just not going to look right. So next colour up is Daffodil Delight and Pacific Point. And let's have a little wipe of my S and go again. If you're looking like I'm looking critically, you'll see that these aren't in the right place, but that's okay, that's all right. I tell you what, my Daffodil Delight's done something strange, hasn't it? I'll sort that out in a minute. I've clearly been a bit rough with it and pulled it out the right thing. What you should do is you should go all the way across and then open it, and I've gone halfway through because I was clearly just worried that my card wasn't measuring up right. Okay. Real Red. Oh, not to worry, just go over the top of it. It's photopolymer for a reason. You can see straight through it and line it up and add the rest of your S on there. That's no problem. Definitely clean the red off because that will take ages to get off. I love using reds, but on photopolymer stamps I'm like, ooh. And then Gorgeous Grape. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this squiggle just here, which is there. Memento. And I'm going to squiggle through all of these. Okay, the sentiment I'm going to use is "This calls for a celebration." Oh, I hadn't used that one before. That was a bit hard to get off the back. Re-ink it because that hadn't inked very well. This calls for a celebration. And then I'm just going to pop it onto my card base. Really quick, really simple one. And you know what? If I'd have sat and measured that, oh, it'd have took ages, wouldn't it, to get it all into the little boxes with my pencil, my ruler. And realistically, other than this one here just being a bit closer, all the rest I'm happy with. And you can't really notice it too much. And also I'm going to put some embellishments on it, so it will hide it a little bit. So I'm just going to pop that onto my card base before I do anything, and I'm going to stick it flat, so I'm going to use Tombow. Now what you could have done is you could have also used your Stamparatus and used the hinge step technique, but you wouldn't have managed to fit 6 on the card. And a rainbow's got to be 6 because, you know, you've got red, yellow, pink and green, blue and purple. That's how it works. So for decoration, I have got what am I going to use? The butterflies, actually. I'm going to use the butterflies. I don't use them enough and I want to use them, so I'm just going to get some new putty. It's been some time since I used my take a pick tool, so all you do is just keep turning the head around until some putty comes out the top, and then you can just pick the butterflies up like that and pop them onto your card just like that. Really quick, simple and easy. And there's my card using the Hello Beautiful photopolymer stamp set. And that took, what, 7 minutes? Quick, simple, easy. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you all again soon. Bye, everybody.
I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.